Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro, and the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro. Both tablets boast impressive specifications, design, and features, making the decision between the two a challenging one for consumers. Let's delve into a detailed comparison to help you make an informed choice. Design and build. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro exudes elegance with its slim and lightweight profile. Boasting dimensions of 278.7 by 191.6 by 6.3 mm and weighing 590 grams, it strikes a balance between portability and screen real estate. The tablet features a sophisticated construction with a glass front, protected by Gorilla Glass 5, an aluminum frame, and an aluminum back panel. This combination not only lends it a premium look, but also ensures durability against daily wear and tear. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro follows a similar design language, albeit with slight variations. With dimensions of 280 by 181.9 by 7.5 mm and weighing 571 grams, it offers a slightly larger footprint compared to its counterpart. The tablet also boasts a glass front, protected by Gorilla Glass 3, an aluminum frame, and an aluminum back panel, embodying a premium aesthetic. While it may be marginally heavier, it still maintains a sleek and ergonomic design, fitting comfortably in hand for extended usage. Both tablets come equipped with stylus support, adding another layer of functionality for creative professionals and note-takers. The magnetic attachment mechanism ensures convenient storage and quick access to the stylus whenever needed. Whether you're sketching, taking notes, or annotating documents, the stylus support enhances precision and productivity on both devices. Display. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro boasts a remarkable 12.4-inch IPS LCD display, providing ample screen real estate for multitasking, gaming, and multimedia consumption. With a resolution of 2032 by 3048 pixels and a pixel density of approximately 295 pixels per inch, PPI, it delivers crisp and detailed visuals, ensuring an immersive viewing experience for users. Additionally, the display supports a wide range of colors, 68B colors, HDR10, and Dolby Vision, resulting in lifelike imagery with enhanced contrast and dynamic range. Similarly, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro offers a captivating 12.1-inch IPS LCD display, albeit slightly smaller compared to its counterpart. With a resolution of 1600 by 2560 pixels and a pixel density of approximately 249 ppi, it still delivers sharp and detailed visuals, making it suitable for various tasks, including reading, streaming, and productivity. The display supports a high refresh rate of 120 Hz, ensuring smooth and fluid motion during scrolling, gaming, and video playback. Additionally, it features Dolby Vision support, enhancing color accuracy and contrast for an engaging viewing experience. One notable difference between the two displays is the refresh rate. While the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro offers a standard 144 Hz refresh rate, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro takes it up a notch with a higher refresh rate of 120 Hz. The increased refresh rate results in smoother animation and reduced motion blur, making interactions feel more responsive and fluid, especially during fast-paced gaming and scrolling through content. Both tablets feature displays with impressive brightness levels, ensuring excellent visibility even in challenging lighting conditions. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro offers a peak brightness of 900 nits, peak, while the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro boasts a peak brightness of 600 nits. Whether you're using the tablet indoors or outdoors, you can expect vibrant and well-lit visuals with minimal glare, enhancing readability and usability across different environments. Performance. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU configuration. With one Cortex-X3 core clocked at 3.2 GHz, two Cortex-A715 cores clocked at 2.8 GHz, two Cortex-A710 cores clocked at 2.8 GHz, and three Cortex-A510 cores clocked at 2.0 GHz, it offers robust performance for both productivity and entertainment tasks. Whether you're multitasking between multiple apps, streaming high-definition videos, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Pad 6s Pro ensures smooth and responsive performance without compromising on efficiency. Similarly, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro is equipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, featuring an octa-core CPU configuration. With four Cortex-A78 cores clocked at 2.40 GHz, and four Cortex-A55 cores clocked at 1.95 GHz. It delivers reliable performance for everyday tasks and casual gaming. While it may not offer the same level of performance as its counterpart, it still provides sufficient horsepower for smooth multitasking, web browsing, and media consumption. Both tablets come with ample RAM and storage options to accommodate users' needs for multitasking and content storage. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro offers configurations with up to 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of internal storage, ensuring seamless performance and ample space for storing apps, games, photos, videos, and other digital content. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro offers configurations with up to 8 GB of RAM and up to 256 GB of internal storage, providing sufficient memory and storage capacity for most users' needs. For gaming enthusiasts, both tablets are capable of delivering immersive gaming experiences with smooth frame rates and stunning graphics. The Adreno GPUs integrated into the Snapdragon chipsets ensure excellent graphics performance, allowing users to enjoy graphics-intensive games with rich visuals and responsive gameplay. Whether you're into casual games or demanding titles, both the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro and the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro offer reliable performance for gaming on the go. Camera. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro features a dual camera setup on the rear, comprising a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. This setup allows users to capture detailed and vibrant images with excellent clarity and depth of field. Whether you're snapping photos of scenic landscapes or close-up shots of everyday objects, the Pad 6s Pro delivers impressive results. Additionally, the tablet boasts a 32MP front-facing camera, ensuring crisp and clear selfies, video calls, and virtual meetings. In comparison, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro comes with a single 8MP rear camera and an 8MP front camera. While it may have a simpler camera setup compared to its counterpart, it still delivers decent performance for everyday photography and video conferencing. Whether you're taking quick snapshots or participating in virtual meetings, the Redmi Pad Pro ensures that you can capture moments with clarity and precision. Both tablets offer video recording capabilities, allowing users to capture memories in motion. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro supports 4K video recording at 30 or 60 frames per second (FPS), along with 1080p video recording at 30 or 60 FPS. With its high-resolution sensor and advanced image processing capabilities, it delivers smooth and detailed videos with vibrant colors and crisp audio. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro supports 1080p video recording at 30 or 60 FPS, providing satisfactory results for casual video recording and video calls. Battery and charging. Both tablets pack a massive 10,000 mAh battery, ensuring long hours of usage on a single charge. However, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro takes the lead in charging speed with its blazing fast 120W wired charging capability, promising to replenish 45% of the battery in just 10 minutes and reach a full charge in 35 minutes. In contrast, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro supports 33W wired charging, which is still respectable but falls short of the Redmi Pad Pro's impressive charging speeds. Price. Finally, pricing is a crucial factor to consider. The Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro comes with a more budget-friendly price tag, starting at around $220, making it an attractive option for users seeking a high-performance tablet without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro commands a higher price, starting at around $730, reflecting its premium features and faster charging capabilities. Both the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro and the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro offer compelling features and performance that cater to different user preferences and budgets. If you prioritize a higher refresh rate display, superior performance, and a more versatile camera setup, the Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro is the ideal choice for you. However, if fast charging speed and premium build quality are your priorities, the Xiaomi Redmi Pad Pro emerges as the clear winner. Ultimately, the decision boils down to your specific needs and preferences. So that's it for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this one. Thanks for watching.